Right now, we continue to watch Hurricane Idalia as it nears the Florida coast.
All right, so Chris is tracking that system as well as some rain that we're getting right now across metro Atlanta.
Yeah, we have these showers and storms that are, indirectly enhanced by what's happening with Idalia. Our main focus for these showers and storms is a stalled out front that's over us right now. But the flow around Idalia is enhancing some of the tropical moisture moving our way. So just some relation with it right now. But you can see that we're dry in Atlanta. On the north side, mainly dry. We've had just a couple of spotty showers here in the north metro area. We are tracking some of these showers south and also to the west of us. Again, not as widespread, not as intense as the ones we had yesterday, but still pretty good rain here that's been moving up from southern Henry County through McDonough, now north of McDonough here in parts of Henry County. Still heavy rain and thunder and lightning with that's been along 75. That stretches back into parts of Spalding County, north of Griffin. A few other showers have been a little stronger over in Meriwether County. We have these over in West Georgia here and into parts of eastern Alabama and parts of Cleburne and Randolph County. Some of those trying to move into areas of Haralson County and also into Polk County. A little thunder and lightning over the state line too. Here's what we're watching with Idalia. And as I mentioned, you see the flow around this, and it is kind of spreading some of that tropical moisture northward. And that's why when it gets in with that stalled out front, we're seeing some of those scattered showers developing here. But the main rain bands are still here in the Gulf of Mexico. Some of those outer bands, though, are moving into the Florida Peninsula that you see right here. Some of those have been causing severe weather and even into parts of the Florida Panhandle, too. There's the center of the storm. It's going to be moving northward, making landfall tomorrow in the Big Bend region right here. It was upgraded to a Category 2 hurricane at the top of the hour. We have the hurricane warnings in effect there from Apalachicola on to south of Tampa. Landfall again in this region here of the Big Bend, but on the right-hand side, a lot of the Florida coast is going to be battered with strong winds, heavy rain, and storm surge there. The storm then moves into South Georgia. This is by Wednesday afternoon. Still is a Category 1 storm in parts of South Georgia, and then moves up toward the north. What's interesting here is even though the Georgia coast isn't getting a direct landfall from the Atlantic, the Georgia coast is still going to be experiencing some storm surge here as the storm moves this way. The flow around it's going to bring in some of that water along the coastline. We here in Atlanta still are on the good side of this. Now, it doesn't escape us from some of the impacts, but it's going to mean the impacts are more minimal. Tonight, some of those scattered showers are going to be dealing with here this evening will diminish. In the morning, we're dry. Then we start looking down toward the south and east with that rain shield around the remnants of Idalia. You'll see some of those showers here from Eatonton over toward Thomaston. They start spreading northward close to the Atlanta area. So we do have a chance for showers tomorrow, but there'll be that, just general showers, some thunder and lightning. The heavier rain well down to the south of us in southeast Georgia. Then all that moisture pulls away. Thursday, mainly dry, still the potential for some scattered showers to develop here with that wind shift as everything moves away. And then getting into Friday, things are going to be turning much better here, and that sets the stage for a really nice holiday weekend. So here is that 7-day outlook, and you can see tomorrow we're going to be dealing with some of those showers and breezes. We're talking about wind gusts in the metro Atlanta area, maybe 20 to 25 miles an hour, highs near 81. 85 for high on Thursday with the rain chances diminishing. Friday clearing out, and look at that, a high of 84. Upper 80s on Saturday and Sunday. 10s on the wazometer, looking really good for the first part of the weekend. And even Labor Day looking good too. 91 for a high, 91 on Tuesday with that dry pattern extending into next week.